In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best mini drones in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these mini drones, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Holy Stone HS-170. The Holy Stone HS-170 is an entry-level mini drone that would be a really good option for everyone who is new to a drone flying due to the fact that this unit is extremely easy to operate, so you can use it for enhancing your skills before you start flying high-end drones. From a design perspective, the HS-170 sports a fairly compact and lightweight body that consists of ultra-responsive propellers and LED lights on the front and back, which make this unit ideal for both day and night flying. For your information, once you open the box, you will find a USB charger, single propeller crowbar, 4 blades, a 2.4G remote controller which doesn't have batteries included, so you would have to additionally purchase for them, and a screwdriver, so from the beginning, you would have everything needed to start flying the drone. Now, let's talk about the features. The HS-170 uses a 6-axis gyro stabilization system which is highly effective in making this unit strong and capable enough to get back on its track after sudden moves and stunts, and when we add the fact that it is wind resistant, it means that beginners will never have any problems in terms of operation. Moreover, this unit has 3 speed modes of which you can take an advantage, such as the low speed, the medium speed, and the fast speed mode. However, keep in mind that the fast speed mode should be used after you learn how to fly the drone with the previous 2 modes, because it requires better reflexes. I would also like to inform you that the control range is rated between 30 to 50 meters, and when we pair this with the low interference 2.4 GHz technology, it means that the drone will be unlikely to crash. When it comes to the battery, the manufacturer states that the flying time should be from 6 to 8 minutes, and 45 to 60 minutes would be the charging time, so as you can see, for the price you pay this is more than enough. Overall, the Holy Stone HS-170 is worthy of considering, because it is inexpensive, easy to use and simply ideal for beginners who like to get skilled in flying drones. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DB Power X400W. The DB Power X400W is yet another inexpensive mini drone, but in comparison with the previous model, this model comes with a camera and a support for 3D VR headset, which means that even intermediate users can use it since it performs really well and you won't have to spend hundreds of dollars. From a design perspective, the X400W features a sleek, mainly white finished body with 2 double-slanted headless fronts, where one of them has an LED light which adds even more beauty to its already beautiful appearance on one side, while on the other, the LED lights are always welcome especially when flying during the night. On the top of the unit, there are 4 propeller blades, and prop guards that are specifically engineered to provide a greater level of protection, so you can fly this drone without worrying about anything. In addition, this unit comes with an included transmitter, but you will also have an option to control this drone via your smartphone, so you will never feel restricted in terms of operation. But now, let's talk about the performance. According to users, the X400W is exceptionally stable, and the reason behind this is the 6-axis gyroscope that allows you to hover in a stable horizontal position. Moreover, this unit has a headless mode, a return home function and 3D option, so let's describe each of them. The headless mode controls the direction of the drone, and it is suitable for beginners and kids, while the one-key return home mode, as the name states, will ensure that this mini drone will find its way back to the transmitter so you will never lose it out of your sight. Finally, the 3D flip is maybe the most interesting due to the fact that the drone will start doing attractive 360-degree flips, which is great. Last but not the least, the battery life can last from 8 to 10 minutes, while the average charge time is approximately 100 minutes, but you can always use spare batteries that may stretch the flight time to up to 25 minutes. To conclude, the X400W deserves your attention, so give it a try and assure yourself of its quality. Next up, at number 3, we have the Holy Stone HS-110D. The Holy Stone HS-110D is among the most purchased mini drones on the market, and since its initial release, users have shared numerous positive comments regarding its construction and performance, which definitely has to mean something. From a design perspective, the HS110D sports a glossy, all-black construction that is accompanied by quality and durable propellers, a 720p HD camera positioned on the bottom as well as two hinges that will ensure a safe landing. Also at the bottom, you can find an LED screen with indicator lights that will keep you informed regarding the drone's status, whether it is connected or not. In terms of operation, you can control this unit via the included transmitter or the smart app where both of them are intuitive, so you won't have any difficulties operating this drone. Now, let's talk about the features. The Holy Stone HS110D's 720p camera has a 120-degree field of view, and thanks to its modular design, you can take high-resolution pictures and videos while hovering the HS110D in the sky. For your information, this device is compatible with 3D VR headset as well, so if you have one, you can use it in order to enhance your user experience even more. I would also like to inform you that the HS110D has an emergency stop function of which you can take an advantage if you see that this mini drone is out of sight, so the chances that you will ever lose it are set to a minimum if not to zero. There are other functions as well, such as the headless mode, the 3D flips, the altitude hold which makes this unit hover when you're not using the controller, and the gravity sensor mode of which you can take an advantage if you want to control and move the directions of this device by moving your smartphone. Finally, the battery life may last up to 10 minutes of use, and it would take approximately 100 minutes of recharge before you start using it again. Overall, if you're looking for a mini drone that offers a great value for its cost, then this is the one for you. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Parrot Mambo FPV. The Parrot Mambo FPV is a multipurpose mini drone that can be used for everything, starting from an ordinary use and all the way up to racing, so if you've been looking for something similar, then you've found it. From a design perspective, the Mambo FPV boasts a sleek and exceptionally lightweight construction that is finished in black and white, and followed by 4 propellers with guards that extend out from each corner, as well as 2 LEDs on the front that will change color according to the drone's status. On the top, you can also find 6 studs that will keep your camera or other accessories in place, so for now, I don't have any remarks regarding the design. But now, let's talk about the performance. The Mambo FPV has 3 flying modes, including the easy mode, the drift mode which disables the horizontal stabilization with the intention to offer you a greater maneuverability, and the racing mode, which turns the autopilot completely off, while giving you a complete control over the device. However, keep in mind that you should experience a bit in order to use the last mode, so if you're a beginner, do not jump quickly to this mode. Moreover, you can control this unit through the included controller or through the smart app, which has many interesting options, such as an option to just throw the Mambo FPS in the air in order to start flying by itself. For your information, this unit also comes with goggles that are comfortable to wear, and a 720p camera, so you can attach both of them on this drone without any problem, since while the camera is recording you will enjoy having a beautiful panoramic view. When it comes to the battery life, well, the Mambo FPS can last up to 8 minutes of runtime, which I really think that the manufacturer could have done a better job here, but even though, if we consider all the features, I think that this may not be a disaster. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider the Mambo FPV, because it can accommodate the tastes of a variety of users thanks to its durable construction and versatile performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Spark. The DJI Spark is a high-end, portable mini drone that would be an extremely good option for you, especially if you want to invest in a fast and durable drone that will never disappoint you with its performance, so let's hear why. From a design perspective, this model has a luxurious, white and black lightweight construction that houses quality propellers that, aside of their primary purpose which is to ensure excellent flights, they can also fold and let you have an easy store. At the front, there is a 2-axis stabilized gimbal camera for which we will talk more in the following section, but for now, I will reveal you only that can capture 12-megapixel photos and 1080p Full HD videos. Now, let's talk about the features. The Spark is equipped with both GPS and GLONASS sensors, which I absolutely favor, due to the fact that these sensors make this unit able to communicate with up to 24 satellites at the same time, so the end result will be a precise positioning. When it comes to the camera, I would like to inform you that it uses the so-called ultrasmooth technology, which does an effective job in reducing the shaking and rolling effects, so all of the videos and picture you make will look absolutely stunning and lifelike. I would also like to inform you that this model can automatically recognize, lock and tracks objects, so if you intend to make videos, this may do your job quite well. There are also 4 automatic flight options such as the Drone, which is highly suitable for capturing aerial selfies, the Rocket, which sends this unit straight into the sky, the Circle, which lets this drone rotate around you, and the Helix, which plots an upward spiraling path. These are only few of the dozens, and when you download the Smart app, you can access dozens of more, which without a doubt means that you will have a truly enjoyable user experience. Overall, the DJI Spark is a must-have, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will never regret your decision. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these mini drones, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.